This is where the metal piece snapped in half. If you look closely, you can see the rough edges. And I have the little pieces that I found on the ground next to it over here. Don't know exactly where they came from. And it managed to hurt 2 people. Oh, and you can see the other side of the pole where the rough metal edges are. This is really not made well at all.
I bought this umbrella to use it with the stand that I got previously, and the umbrella was suggested as something that would work out with the stand. Anyways, I don't have anything against the umbrella. It's a nice umbrella, good quality, but it just didn't work that well with the stand. So the size is not right. So I guess if you have a right stand, it's a really good quality umbrella. Yeah.
Looks great by the pool, easy to install, very sturdy, easy to wind up and down, and securing pin, good quality.
I get to my knee.
Won't stay in place. It just falls. It's busted.